Hello everyone. In this video, I want to discuss about the recent issue which I faced with my computer. It seems my system got corrupted and it ran into an issue which I cannot correct it. So, in order to correct this issue, I tried all the different ways provided in the system, but it did not work out. At last I figured out the way how I can get out of this error through my research. If you want to know what I did, please watch this video till to the end and find the solution. So let us move on and we will watch the steps which I have followed to correct this issue. Once the error system ran into the problem and it requires some restart, it will enter into automatic repair and it triggers this log file error. Even I tried shutting down the system and I tried different advanced options which was provided in this menu, but none of the options helped me to rectify the corrupted file and I was not able to get out of this loop. Once I click on the advanced options, we can see continue, troubleshoot and turn off your PC. First I tried with continue and turning off the PC. No changes has been done. Then later I tried with the option troubleshoot. Now I am clicking on the troubleshoot to move on to the options provided under the troubleshoot, like resetting your PC and more advanced options. I tried resetting my PC, but even that option does not correct my issue. Later I clicked on advanced options and tried each and every option provided here to correct the issue, but none of the options has helped in correcting the issue. So after much more research, I decided to download Windows 10 from the Microsoft website and save it on the flash drive, which I use to reset my system. Then in Google I searched how to download Windows 10 from the Microsoft website. It gives the link from where I can download. So once we click on the link, we can see the download Windows 10 option, where we can update now the system or we can download to the tool. So once we click on download the tool now, we can see the screen getting a few things ready. That means it is getting ready to download the Windows. Once it shows the acceptance of terms screen, we will click on accept and proceed further. So once we accept the terms and conditions, we need to select the radio button to create install media to USB trial. Before downloading the Windows 10 to the flash drive, we have to insert the flash drive in the computer. Before downloading the Windows 10 to the pen drive, we need to check the pen drive is empty, or otherwise the data in the pen drive gets deleted and only the Windows 10 will get updated in the pen drive. So we need to back up all the existing data in the pen drive. Once it starts downloading to the flash drive, it shows the option to select which language, which edition and which architecture. Architecture here shows 32-bit or 64-bit. So based or there is an option both. So we can select both. If we select both, our pen drive capacity should be 8 GB. So I prefer to have a flash drive of 16 GB. So flash drive or pen drive are same. So we should have a memory of 16 GB. So we can download both 32-bit and 64-bit. If you know exactly the architecture of your computer, you can select the exact 32-bit or 64-bit. Once we select the language and the architecture in the previous screen, we move on to the options where we can select how we need to download the Windows 10, whether it should be in the flash drive or as a ISO file. So here in this video we will be downloading Windows 10 to the flash drive, and we'll check how we can use this downloaded Windows to fix our issue. Once we select the flash drive and move on to the next step, we can see the Windows 10 is downloading to the flash drive. It will take few hours to download Windows 10 to the flash drive, and once it is done, you can see on the screen it displays the message, your USB flash drive is ready. So then click on finish and your Windows 10 is ready to get uploaded to the required system. So once our USB drive is ready with Windows 10, now we can upload the Windows 10 to the system which got corrupted. So in order to do that, we need to go to the BIOS menu or boot menu or recovery menu. So to go to that screen, we need to, as I am using the Lenovo laptop, I do by just clicking on the highlighted little bit headphone symbol hole which I have shown on the screen. We have to just push it little bit and we will get the BIOS screen or boot menu or recovery menu screen. So once we click on that small hole, we can see the system got started with displaying the screen Novo button menu, where we can see BIOS setup, boot menu, system recovery. So when we click on boot menu and insert the USB in our computer, it automatically reads the Windows 10 from the USB drive and helps in rebooting our system. I will explain few more steps in uploading the Windows to the corrupted system. Once we click on boot menu, we can see the system is reading the Windows 10 from the flash drive and it is trying to start the setup and showing the language and keyboard options. So once we select this and click on next, we will move on to the next screen. Now we can see it shows setup is starting. So it automatically do step by step and it will complete the process. Once it shows setup is starting, it will show the screen to accept the terms and conditions. Once we click on the accept checkbox and click on next, we can see the next steps. So once we accept the terms and conditions, it will move on to the screen by asking which type of installation do we want to do. So it shows it's an upgrade or it's a custom installation. So as we are not doing the upgrade, we need custom installation, so we are going to select the option custom installation. Once we select the custom installation, it moves on to the screen where it shows all partitions of our memory drive. So my computer is 1 TB memory, so we can see the partitions, partition 1, partition 2 and partition 3 and the free space and already the occupied memory in that memory drive. So I prefer to delete all the data. Before deleting the data, we need to backup. I'm not sure how to backup, but as per me, I have deleted all the data in my computer and uploaded this new Windows to this memory drive. I selected each partition and deleted, and now my memory drive looks like this. So it has 1 TB memory, so I am going to divide this memory into 2 parts. To do that, we have to just click on new button below and just change the number 9 to 4, so in the starting. So it will divide this partition into 2 parts. I forgot to capture few of the screens, but if you follow the steps which I said, you will definitely will be able to do it on your own. So if you see this, so once we divide the partition and we will select unallocated space partition to upload this Windows 10. So once we select that option, we will see the screen installing Windows and it will automatically follow step by step. First one is copying Windows and getting the files ready and installing and finishing the setup. So it will follow the steps automatically, so we no need to worry. So this at last has fixed my problem. So I lost all my data, but I know it's all downloaded data. which I had in my system and few documents which I have created, but there is no option to get out of that error. So I have followed this last option to reboot my system with fresh Windows. I hope this video will be helpful for at least few people who are facing this kind of issue like me. So I just want to share my research, how I have fixed this issue on my own. So thank you for watching the video. If this video is helpful to anyone, please leave the comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much.